Next I will introduce the multi-layer PCB plate plating. First of all, clean PCB surface clamp and check the fixture to ensure good electrical conductivity. PCB panel to do the cathode. The whole point plating process is controlled by computer. In order to accurately control the plating time of PCB panel. In order to ensure the electrical conductivity between PCB panels, we need to plate in the connecting hole 25 micron thick copper. Modern electroplating chemistry can keep copper thickness uniform. More PCB printed circuit board knowledge, please subscribe to me.